Hey everyone, how is it going? Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you guys how to enable your Zoom captions, and this is actually very simple. So what you need to do is on Zoom, you see that at the bottom there is this toolkit option, and it might also be on top for some of you guys. What you need to do is click on more, and then you can see captions. If I click on captions, then this is all of the caption settings. So if I click on settings, you can go ahead and like choose all of these things. So click on show captions and then click on save. As you can see, closed captioning on. Now I'm not speaking, but if I turn on the audio, hey, how is it going? As you can see, it's what you can call it, it's getting transcribed at the bottom, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.